Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Gordon.
And today we'll be doing a deep clean vlog part 2. So today we're going to be starting in the kitchen. Basically, we're going to be doing grout cleaning. I will insert a clip of what our grout currently looks like.
Gross. Ew. No. See how black it is? It's disgusting. No. Gross. Bad. Very bad.
Yeah,
and it is absolutely disgusting.
It's pretty bad.
Yeah, and if you're wondering why all of a sudden I'm the same height as Gordon's got me standing on a ladder.
It's easier to get her in shot.
Because our kitchen's just too cramped for this
right now
setup. Yeah, so it's kind of good. We're basically using this ZEP floor cleaner from the Home Depot, basically.
ZEP. Yeah.
Grout cleaner, sorry. Yeah. And if you want to use this one, it's only like $6 Canadian, but there are some precautionaries which Gord is going to basically summarize and list off for you so you know in advance.
Okay, so this is Grout Cleaner and Brightener. It deep cleans grout lines, removes old stains from grout, and keeps grout color contact. However, you must wear chemical resistant gloves, safety goggles, long pants, and a long sleeve shirt before working with this product.
Which we are.
Do not use this product if you have any existing respiratory problems such as asthma and emphysema. So, 1. Test product in an inconspicuous area prior to use. Obviously, they don't want you to ruin perfectly good tile right in the middle of your floor.
Yeah, so we'll start this off like under one of our appliances, basically.
Which are currently all over the place.
Yeah, which is why our kitchen is so cramped.
Yeah. So, okay, and 2, if grout has been sealed, it is recommended to remove sealer with a strong stripper to prevent uneven cleaning results. We weren't here when they did the grout, so we have no idea if it's been sealed or not.
Yeah.
Thus the 2x2 area in the corner, so. Oh yeah, which is the next step. Apply to a 2x2 area to grout seam only. Allow 2 to 3 minutes for product to penetrate. And then 4. Agitate product over stubborn stains with a grout brush or toothbrush, which is where one of these handy doodads we picked up at Home Depot comes in.
I read in line to like not use toothbrushes, so we saw these and I just grabbed 2.
Yeah. Coincidentally, they also had like a toothbrush, a really big toothbrush looking thing. That was apparently a super.
It was basically like an electric toothbrush,
but made for like scrubbing.
Grout, yeah.
It was like a strong agitator brush or something. Anyway, do not allow product to splash on nearby surfaces. Yeah, this is apparently an extremely strong acid, so
we're probably gonna lock our cat in a room.
Yeah. Rinse area carefully with clean water. If product is not rinsed thoroughly, grout residue may redeposit on the tile, causing a dull effect. So I guess you'll get dull outlines around your grout lines, which is not ideal for this, unfortunately. So let's see, a second application may be necessary. Do not use area until dry. And there are some very serious causes things in this. I recommend reading the bottle in its fully before using this.
Yeah, where you just let us set off the precautions.
Yeah, that's the directions I just read. The directions have so much safety in them. I do not. This is. Yeah, causes burns. Dangerous fumes form when mixed with other products. Obviously, you do not mix high strength acids with anything. That's a bad idea. So anyway, I guess
we'll get started.
We'll get started.
If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, like the button, comment down below what you think.
Subscribe, and we'll see you in a minute.
So this is a little test area. That was not where I showed previously, but I think it worked really well.
Okay, so this is now the area that we've done. You can see it looks a little bit wet still, but I can get it without getting the camera too close. over here, you can see where it changes to the spot that we haven't done yet. I like that contrast, but I'm gonna get rid of it.
Gonna get rid of it all.
All of it. Happy Fizz!
Totally transformed the kitchen floors. Yeah, the camera's not picking it up perfectly, but it's like so much cleaner now. Sparkles.